So this is the completed version of Ranjit Dhaya's collective teamwork at Bandra Chapel Road. This team is not here now, and the scaffolding has come out, as you can see. And this Chapel Road is a very unique, fishing village. By lanes, narrow lanes, buildings coming up now. This is really a huge canvas, and it took a lot of time to get it done. I think it took more than 18 days or something, and all of them were involved. For me, this is the most beautiful one, Wahida Rahman. That is Helen, and this one is Asha Parekh. What I like about Wahida Rahman is the eyes. They are very captivating and they hit you in the guts. This is really art from the heart. This is a Bollywood art project by Ranjit Dhaya, who also stays at Chapel Road. He's a very dear friend of mine. He's a cat lover and he rescues cats. किसको लगा रहा है? कुछ नहीं, अपने भाई को लगा रहा है। गर्लफ्रेंड को तो नहीं लगा रहा? अरे लगा रहे हैं। हाँ? नहीं। Photographers have already started coming. The new mural of Ranjit Dhaya. At Chapel Road, Bandra. How are you? Seeing you after ages here. How's your health? So how's life with you? Chapel Road. This is Baroda Road. This is art by Ranjit Dhaya of BAP, Bollywood Art Project. Mr. Irfan Khan, late Irfan Khan. This is wall art by Bollywood Art Project, Mr. Ranjit Dhaya and Mr. late Irfan Khan. This is at Baroda Road. Hi, how are you? This is the new mural of Mr. Ranjit Dhaya at Chapel Road.
Hello.
And hi Ranjit bhai, how are you sir?
I'm good, sir. I'm good.
This is a this you have done very fast yaar. How come? अच्छा इसका how you conceptualize this?
Sir, I have the pictures I want to paint in my library. So whenever I found some wall, so I try to justify that wall. So
But there was a rumor that you were going to paint Amrish Puri over here.
Yes, sir. I
mean, it was a rumor. I don't know about the fact.
No. It was not a rumor. It was. I was thinking to paint Amrish Puri.
Okay.
Here. So then I thought I'll go and I'll paint at least. Just like in my dialogue.
No, I'm sure Mr. Dharamji should see this video of yours, because once upon a time, maybe 20-25 years back, I used to make his clothes, and I made clothes for Sunny Deol Saab also.
Okay.
Both of them, I've known them for many years.
Okay.
But I think Dharamji, this is a very beautiful tribute, and he's a person.
I really love.
He loves all this, and he will love you, and he will love you because you are from Haryana.
No, of course I love him a lot.
Yeah.
I grew up उनकी फिल्में देख के हम बड़े हुए हैं.
सही है. और आपका भी तो हाथ है ना 1.5 किलो का हथौड़ा. बाकी ये इस आर्ट पे आपने ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं किया है, आपकी टीम.
पहले वाला जो
बहुत बड़ी थी, बहुत बड़ी थी.
उसमें भी लिमिटेड लोग ही थे जो काम.
नहीं, बट आपने ना ये जो लेन है ना, उसको आपने काफी मतलब एक रुतबा दिया है, आर्ट का रुतबा दे दिया, जज्बा दे दिया. और काफ़ी लोग बेचारे परेशानी में जब चलते हैं और ऊपर दीवार पे देखते हैं तो कम से कम कुछ अच्छी चीज़ देखने को मिलती है. No, you have done a great job. We are all proud of you.
Thank you very
And
much.
I am lucky that having known you, I have documented all your works, almost every work of yours. But these two works I've documented because I was able to shoot it near my house.
Yes, sir.
So, and the mural over there, Bollywood mural, that also I've really done a lot of work on it in terms of getting it processed, working on it.
I don't know. ये जो धर्म जी का जो ये वाला जो पोस्टर है ना, टोटली रिमेम्बर, आई मीन वो जो याद है ना उसको
Yeah,
70s
समझ गया.
लाइक जो पोस्टर बनते थे ओल्ड पोस्टर्स, आई हैव सीन दिस, आई थिंक पेंटेड किए हुए देखे हैं मैंने रियल में.
So this is Dharamji, and the created conceptualized and art directed and painted by Mr. Ranjit Dhaiya and his team for Bollywood Art Project. This is really, really good. And if you guys ever want to paint your wall, just contact Ranjit Dhaiya and he will do it for you. Because through him, a lot of young artists are getting work, they're getting a direction, and he is inspiring young artists to make some pocket money. Because more than anything, more than the money part of the young artist wants some guru like him. And he is one of the best gurus of painting. Both my granddaughters have been inspired by him, Narjis and Zehra. He has given them paints, he has given them brushes, and he has given them a lot of love. So please do come to Chapel Road, and you can see his other painting there. That is. So now, this is one one mural, and his old mural is a CinemaScope 70 mm. This is, I think, one of his most beautiful works, and he has really. This is one of his best works of date. He has done a lot of other things also. He's painted an American wall in Annsborough, I think. But I am in love with Wahida ji, because this is where Ranjit has put his heart and soul. He has put everything into her eye. He has put everything into her eye. Just see this. I mean, this is amazing. This is one of the best artworks of yours.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And what made you think of Wahida ji? This you must answer.
I have watched lots of Vaidaji's movies.
Sahib Bibi or Gulam.
Namkeen I watched,
Okay.
and देवानंद साहब की जो
मुझे जीने दो.
हाँ जाने देवानंद साहब गाइड जो जिससे ये
Guide, yeah.
गाइड का ही पोस्टर हमने लिया है इनका.
अच्छा.
So हाँ वैसे मैं बॉलीवुड का आई ऑलवेज लाइक गो.
No, but this, I tell you one thing, Ranjit bhai. I am not an artist as such. I am not a painting artist. No, I am an artist, but not a painting artist. For what I am saying, this Wahida ji, na, I mean, there are two of them who have done great work, but her eyes, na, they mesmerize यार. माने ऐसी कशिश है इस आँखों में कि मैं क्या बताऊँ कि मैं जब
इम्प्रोवाइज जो आर्टवर्क है
मैं सुनिए तो जब मैं देखता हूँ इनकी आँखें में डूब जाता हूँ. और बोलिए सर.
सो जो भी आर्टवर्क होता है उसमें मैं उसके बाद इम्प्रोवाइज करता हूँ तो क्या और ग्लोरीफाई कर सकता हूँ. एज एन आर्टिस्ट आई कैन प्ले विद द कलर.
No, you have done. I tell you, you are a pioneer of this art in Bandra. In Bandra. In Bandra.
Okay.
I mean, Anarkali, Gopi, Amitabh Bachchan, all those things.
Yes.
The
देवानंद साहब.
Devanand Saab.
दादा साहब फाल्के पेंट किया था.
That's what I was going to say, Phalke. And Irfan Khan. I mean, there's so many things you have done. Some of them have been erased. The most famous one was the Diwar off bandstand, where now there is Rishi Kapoor over there.
Yes.
And you won't believe it, the one that was of Rajesh Khanna, people used to come there.
Yes.
Lovers of Rajesh Khanna used to come there, and they used to really love it.
Yeah, that is true. Rajesh
So-
Khanna is still there, but I think I'll repent soon. That.
You have to work on it again.
Yeah, I'll repent. I mean, that
Anyway, thank you sir for your precious time, and आपसे इस इंटरव्यू का मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ मांगूंगा, एक काली चाय, बस. That is all.
Sir, please.
This is the new mural of Dharamji, Dharmender Saab, at Chapel Road, Bandra. Conceptualized, art designed, painted by Mr. Ranjit Dhaiya and his team. You want to go? This is at Chapel Road, Bandra. These are all nephews of Ranjit Dhaiya.